So back by popular demand, the Moringa lotion that Kyra is requesting for her skin. So this Moringa lotion having extra virgin olive oil, avocado oil, bee wax is the emulsifier to blend the oils and the fragrance together. You know how water and oil have to be emulsified. And then this is a herbal oil mixture. Stay tuned. Oh yeah. So the oils and the bee wax are all melted. Time to emulsify. So I'm going to adding the water portion of this lotion a little bit at a time. And it coats the shaft of the blender, of the stick blender. See how it just creaminess is sitting on top. This is going to thicken up. As it cools down, it's still a little bit on the warm side because the oil and the bee wax was melted. So the ratio is 1 cup oil to 1 cup water, or any kind of a I used Moringa herb water for the benefits of the Moringa. The skin will absorb that and be happy. All right. So here we go. This is going to thicken up. So 1 cup oil to 1 cup water. And when you're using the 1 cup ratio, you use 1 ounce of beeswax to get it to the nice emulsified creamy, and it smells heavenly. All right, so here's the finished product. Look, see? Finished product. See the consistency? Yeah. Cream Moringa infused body cream, specially requested. Yeah, so that nice infused herbal oil moisturizer going down on the skin, and then the water is where the hydration comes from, because that water just goes right into the skin and hydrates the skin. Look at that. Ah, yeah. Homemade. Yeah.